Hello friends, welcome to MSc Things. This video is a part of a series of videos under the title SQL for Beginners. This is a playlist which is available in our channel. You can check it out for remaining sequence of videos. In this video, we'll be looking into how to use the where statement or the where command inside the query and how will it help us to simplify our work or the output. For that, I'll need to show you some table, like what are the exact contents of the table, and from that how we are going to apply this where statement. So I'm going to run this command, select star from class. So this is the table of the class. It is having 5 rows and 3 columns. I want the rows only up to roll number 200. Say I want the records of the roll numbers which are less than or equal to 200. I don't want all the records. I want only those records for which roll number is less than or equal to 200. Select star from class. Now this will give me the entire output of the table, but I don't want the entire output. I only want the roll numbers which are less than or equal to 200. Now we can use the where clause, where roll number less than or equal to 200. Now this should ideally be giving my output as only the first 2 rows of this table. So let us run this query and check. As you can see, we have got only first 2 rows. Now I'll edit this 200 to 300. So what does that mean? I should get all the records of roll numbers which are less than or equal to 300. That means somewhere around I should be getting 3 rows in my table. So let's execute this command again and check. See, I got 3 rows. So this is how where statement helps us in filtering out the content more precisely and cleanly. If you like this video and if you are gaining some knowledge from this, please do hit like and subscribe. Thank you.